In this video, I'm going to show you how to make free printable camping colouring pages. Yeah, and if you're new to this page, if you're new to this video, sorry, this channel, let me get my words out. I'm Jay, and this is my channel, Make Money with Jay. I show how to make money on Etsy, on Amazon KDP, and I also create colouring pages. Like today's video, colouring pages, yeah. But if you're new here, feel free to check them out. Free space colouring pages, Christmas colouring pages, unicorn colouring pages, you name it, guys. I make them. Gnome colouring pages. Yeah, there's lots of different ones. Mother's Day. So let's jump into it, guys. Yeah, so I'm going over to Canva, and yes, I've not paid my payment failed, but I'll pay it in a little minute. I'll sort it out in a minute. Yeah, so I get my digital prints from Etsy. No, I don't. Sorry, I get them from Creative Fabrica. Yeah, and then this is what we're going to do, guys. So let's just quickly make some video. So I like the idea of that. We can have a smallish one. We'll have a fireplace. Well, not too big. We don't want to burn the tent now, do we? Not that quite up here. The tent here. We can have. Let's have a roast of marshmallow. Make the fire a little bit smaller then, yeah, guys. So then we don't want to burn in the marshmallows. Stop that up in the background. Have a friend with her as well, yeah. And I just play around with it, guys. That's all I do. In fact, I'm going to have to fire down here a little bit. Move these down a little bit, yeah. We can have that in the background, like that kind of thing. And we can also have... not all that ones. Get rid of them. Got some trees down here somewhere. Yeah, them ones. They'll do. Put them in the background, yeah, kind of thing. Let's move this a minute. Yeah, well, no, put that back how it was. Maybe we get another tree in there. Be like a tall one. Put it crossed out like that so it doesn't go. So we can put it then behind. Backwards. It needs to go behind one more. Yeah, so there's our first picture, guys, and that's all I do, guys. I just play around with these kind of things. Yeah, this one we'll have. I don't know. We'll have the boy on it this time. Yeah. The girl there. We'll have the boy will flip him. Yeah, so he's coming back to his friend. Love the fireplace. Everyone likes a fireplace, don't they? Oh, fire, yeah. So she's there getting warm. He's bringing back firewood. We'll have those trees in the background, kind of thing. Make them smaller though, guys. Yeah, he's coming back from the woods, isn't he? So we'll position them behind him. I don't know what that is there though. Why is it like that? We'll have the tent back on there. We'll have her forward, yeah. So what? Throw a star on there as well because it's night time, yeah. Yeah, look at that nice little picture, guys, isn't it? Yeah. So this. I just like doing this. I just like playing around with this, guys. Let's have one of these signs on it, yeah. Camp and Lake. We got a lake. No, I'll use some of these in a minute. Right, so let's have him sleeping down here somewhere, yeah. I'll give them the tent on it again. We don't have to have it all on, but just a little bit of the picture, yeah. Anything else? That's his food in it. Get rid of that, doesn't really go, does it? He's probably just going to bed. Put that over here somewhere. Love it behind the tent kind of thing, yeah? Yeah, then he's coming to bed. Yeah, so we can have it like that. Straightforward, simple picture. What's this dude doing here? So he's catching like butterflies, right? Love that. It's like honey in it or something. Kind of floating around there. The trees kind of. No, I don't like them trees actually. Let's delete them. You can't see like his little butterflies or whatever they are. Well, this on it again. Maybe bigger. Yeah, and then just straightforward, simple picture like this. Another star. You know I like my stars. If you watched them in previous videos. Yeah. Put a fireplace. I've got a little idea now, guys. You can be bringing wood to it. She wants to be sat down. A bit blurry that. Yeah, that better. No, forget that dude. So this dude. So then she was sat down, yeah. And I want some text, guys, some text. So let's go up here. Yeah, here we are. I live. We'll make it a little bit bigger. Then I go to effects like that, guys, and let's do that. And look, we can camping. Let's have put a few stars around the place. Yeah, so I love camping. Yeah. And then we got anything, guys. Oh, they're my astronauts one days from last video. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, one more, guys. Right, let's just use some of these down here. They're not as, I don't think they're as good, these ones. So what about 10? Let's have some trees behind it. Forward, yeah. So these ones feel like a bit of a cheapo version, don't they? Now, if you've created them and I've gone off your site, I apologise. So maybe a bit smaller. Bring her over there a bit. Bring the fire a little bit. She can have a friend, can't you? A little raccoon. Oh, we'll have this. No. And just something like that, guys. It's so simple, yeah. And that is it, guys. 6 easy to create camping. Yeah. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and comment below in the description which theme you want me to do next. I'll create many, whichever you want, guys. I'll create. Yeah, just let us know, and then I'll upload them then to the. I'm going to upload these then to the website, guys, which is christmaseverydayclub.com. Yeah, and this is where it'll bring you. And if you scroll down, you can have a read the blog posts. Yeah, or you can just go straight to the colouring pages, and I will create. I will create its own post. Yeah, free. Camping colouring pages. That's what it'll say. So when you come here, but if you want to get any of these, guys, they're free as well, guys. Just click on that here where it says colouring pages, because it only shows the last 5 here. So if you click on colouring pages, close that, it will. Let me turn that off. Yeah, it'll show you my latest post, which should, by the time you get there, it should say free. Camping. I keep forgetting that, guys. So yeah, we've got the space ones, we've got the Christmas colouring pages, there's lots of different ones on there. We've got the 4th of July colouring pages coming up soon, that, guys. Mother's Day, Easter, and then this one, guys, this is the big one. You click on this one here, this is where most of them are, and then this is like the main page. Yeah, a minute, let it load. You've got like Under the Sea. You've got Queen's Platinum Jubilee, which is still quite popular. Some more there, I don't know why that's in between it. We've got football, which you guys in America probably call it, well, you do call it soccer, but it is football. Then we've got Cowboys in the Wild West. We've got donuts, which is it's National Donuts Day soon, so come and download some of them. Unicorns. Yeah. And then you can click on any of these, guys. Let me also show you, guys. If you come to activity pages or printable party games, there's more freebies here as well, guys. Yeah. We've got Bible activity pages, and we've got Queen's Platinum Jubilee activity pages. We've also got Mother's Day printables, yeah, printable games. I will be adding more to these, but at the moment I'm in the process of just creating loads of colouring pages. So let us know, and go to the forum, guys. If you go to the forum, yeah, you can you can comment and let us know which activity pages, which printable games, and which colouring pages you want, guys. Just let us know. And if you get any of the Christmas ones, if you download any of the Christmas ones and you colour them in, post them to the forum, and you could win a prize. Yeah, you could get something off me. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.